Right, let's look at UTME 2012 mathematics, particularly again checking integration. Right, we have how many questions do we have in that 2012? We have two questions on integration, and we have two questions on differentiation in the year 2012. Okay, so the first question that we have here is to evaluate integral x squared minus 4x dx from lower limit 1 to upper limit 2. Okay, now let's solve that. Now, first and foremost, let us forget about the upper and lower limit. Let's just integrate this. Right, so we have integral x squared minus 4x to 1. That gives us, we're going to open a square bracket. Okay, and when we integrate x squared, that becomes x raised to power 3 over 3. You know, we add 1 to the power, that's 2 plus 1, that gives us 3. So the new power now is 3. Then we divide the entire expression term by 3. Then minus, now we are having 4 here, x. Now we add 1. The original power here is 1, so we add 1 to that to become 2. I will divide the term now by the new power 2. Okay, so now within the limit 1 and 2, it is a definite integral, so it does not require constant of integration. Okay, now if we have gotten this, we have to now we can further evaluate this, but let us leave it like that. We have to open two brackets. Okay, and this one, we repeat this function here using the upper limit, then we repeat the function again here using the lower limit for x. Now, if we are using 2 now, that's going to be 2 cubed over 3 minus 4 times 2 squared over 2, alright? That is using upper limit. Now, using lower limit, we have 1 cubed, 1 to the power 3 over 3, then minus 4 times 1 to the power 2 over 2. Alright, so that is how to solve problem of this nature. Now solving that, we have 8 over 3 minus 2a1, 2a2, 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is what? Okay, let's leave this one as what? 2a1, 2a, that's it's supposed to be 16, right? Over 2, that's 8 over 1. If you like that, then minus this one remains 1 over 3, because when we raise 1 to the power 3, it is still what? 1. Then minus 4 over 2, that is what? That's 2 over 1, right? So what do we have? 8 over 3 minus 1 over 3, that is 8 over 3 minus 1 over 3, that's 7 over 3, alright? Now we have minus 8 plus 2. Minus 8 plus 2, that is minus 6 over 1. So the LCM is 3, 3 and 3, 1, 7, 7. Minus 3, 1, 3, 3 times 6, that's 18. 7 minus 18, that is minus 11 over 3. Or we have 3 and 11, that's minus 2, minus 3. Remainder 2 over what? 3. Okay, so our answer is minus 11 over 3, or minus 3 2 whole number, minus 3 whole number 2 over 3. Right, that is the answer to that question. But in this JAMB exam, they just leave the answer as minus 11 over 3. There is no breaking it down into mixed fraction. Okay, so that is a problem on definite integral. Oh, the whole question that came out in 2012 on integration were all on definite integral. Wow. Now we have another question which is on definite integral. I hope you have understood this one. Now let's go to the second one. Yeah, the second one we are to evaluate integral sec square theta, right, d theta from 0 to pi over 4. from 0 to what? Pi over 4. Now, we know that pi is 180 degree. So pi over 4 therefore is going to be 180 degree over 4, which is what? 45 degree. Okay? So we know we are integrating from 0 to 45 degree, sec square theta d theta. Now we have to forget about the limit 0 and 45 for now, and then just integrate the function that we have. And that's going to be, we open a square bracket. Integration of sec square theta is tan theta, right? Then from 45 degree down to 0 degree. So that is what we have here. Okay? Now if we have that, then we have to open two brackets, subtracting them. Tan, instead of writing theta, we write the upper limit 45, then repeat the function and the value, repeat the function, but now this time around impute the lower limit into the function. Now tan what? Tan 0 degree. Okay, so we are subtracting tan 0 degree from tan 45. That's the technique, right? The answer is going to be tan 45 is 1, tan 0 is 0, so we have what? 1. So the answer is what? 1. So we got 1 as our what? As our answer. Alright, that's 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Okay, now remember what we did. I told you pi over 4 is 45 degree. How come? Because pi radian is 180 degree. So divide 180 by 4, we have what? 45 degree. That is number 1. Then number 2, we know that this is lower limit, this is upper limit. We are integrating between the lower and the upper limit. So we have to integrate the function first. When we integrate sec square theta, we get tan theta, right? Now when we get tan theta, okay, we now have 0 degree here and 45 degree here. This is the upper limit, this is the lower limit. Now we open two brackets. That's the way to do it. We're going to open two brackets, subtracting them. Okay, we repeat the function that we have gotten tan theta, then we put the function here again that we have gotten by integration. Now in the first one, we replace that theta by the upper limit, and the second one we replace the theta with what? The lower limit. And we know that tan 45 is 1, tan 0 is what? 0. So our final answer is what? 1. Alright, so that's how to do it. Play around with as many questions as you can. Practice, we guarantee, will make you better. Alright? And then I want you to take your time to go over this video again, and do not hesitate to visit my blog spot, okay, to check the videos that I've made on differentiation, on integration, and some other topics in physics. I've provided answers, solutions to many UTME questions in physics and in mathematics topically. So I would like you to do yourself a lot of good by visiting that blog spot and by going through those videos, and try and download my ebook. Study it confidently and be positive about your exam. Success awaits you as you are gradually preparing for the exam that you have ahead. Once again, I want you to be optimistic. I want you to be disciplined, because success requires discipline. Okay? That's all. You will succeed. I wish you all the best. See you in the next video.